but they have no idea what I'm capable of. Home. My home.
Target is in the building.
Target is hot. Light it up.
He's the one. Oh, shit. Here comes the cavalry.
Again, strike on field, over.
Acknowledged. We'll escalate. As marked.
Ready to engage. Let's get some. Chalk 3 has lost visual. You want us to sweep? This is Fire Team Echo. This sector is empty. Shutting down the search. Out.
Scrub the board. That's it. Do you copy?
Red Crown from Chalk 3. We've lost the eye. You got an update for us?
All Sigma units converge on Central Park for immediate extraction.
Chalk 3 to Bird Dog. Do you have an eye on this guy? We've lost him.
I'm out of there.
Position secured.
Got you now.
Doctor, try to keep the discussion high level. We need to know what we're dealing with on the ground.
Its effect is variable. When it does manifest, it makes the Idaho strain look like a common cold. I don't need to remind you gentlemen how close we came to the point of no return in Idaho. Mercer's body is a bomb, filled with this weaponized pathogen waiting to go off. And now it's loose in the city. Bring it in, no matter what it takes. I'd say dead or alive, but I'm not sure those classifications fit Alex Mercer any longer.
Fucking goose-stepping motherfuckers!
Kiss your mother with that. I can see what he saw. I know what he knew. His memories are my memories. Revenge was the only clear thought in my head. The only one I could call mine. I knew Gentek was the key. It made sense. I'd worked there. I'd had Dana investigating its operations. And then there was Blackwatch. Whatever had changed me, erased my past. Must have started there. I thought if I could find out who was running Gentek before Blackwatch erased them too, I could find my past.
What did you think that would gain you?
Answers. I wanted to find out what happened to me. The reason. Someone to blame, someone I could punish. Tell you the truth, I never thought I'd find her. I wish the hell I never had.